Given these 2 points, let's find the line equation. So first of all, let's find the slope. Slope, we're going to subtract the y's. This minus this, -7, take away 2. We're going to subtract the x's on the denominator. 4 minus 1. This is going to be -9 over 3, which is -3. So we have the slope. The equation in slope point form, please memorize y minus y1 is equals to the slope x minus x1. The slope we know is -3, and we're going to plug in either point, this or this. Let's just plug in the first point. We're going to plug in x1 over here, and we're going to plug in y1, which is 2 over here. So what we have is y minus 2 is equals to the slope, -3, x minus 1. So this is the equation in slope point form. We have the slope here, and we have the point here. This happens to be 2, 1. Sorry, this happens to be 1, 2. Now let's carry on to the slope-intercept form. There's a bracket here, so we're going to distribute. We're going to feed the dog, feed the cat. So what we have is y minus 2 is equals to -3x. -3 times -1 is +3. And slope-intercept form, the goal is to get y is equals to mx plus b. This is the slope, this is the y-intercept. So we have a slope here and a y-intercept here. And so we're going to move the -2 over. So the -2, when you move it over, becomes a +2. So we have y is equals to -3x. 3 plus 2 would be +5. So as you can see, we actually have the equation in both forms.